Addiction is widely recognized by medical and scientific communities as a chronic disease that affects the brain's structure and function. Organizations such as the American Medical Association, AMA, and the World Health Organization, WHO, classify addiction as a disease because it involves complex interactions among brain circuits, genetics, the environment, and an individual's life experiences. Why addiction is considered a disease? 1. Changes in brain structure and function. Prolonged substance use alters the brain's reward system, leading to cravings and compulsive behaviors. These changes impact areas of the brain responsible for judgment, decision making, learning, and memory. 2. Genetic factors. Genetics can make certain individuals more susceptible to addiction. Family history of addiction increases the likelihood of developing substance use disorders. 3. Environmental influences. Stress, trauma, and exposure to substance use can contribute to the development of addiction. Socioeconomic factors and peer pressure also play significant roles. 4. Chronic and relapsing nature. Like other chronic diseases, e.g., diabetes, hypertension, addiction often involves cycles of relapse and remission. Long-term management strategies are typically necessary for recovery. The role of willpower. Initial use versus addiction. While the initial decision to use a substance may be voluntary, repeated use can lead to brain changes that undermine self-control. Addiction diminishes the ability to resist intense urges to take drugs or engage in harmful behaviors. Misconceptions about willpower. Viewing addiction solely as a lack of willpower oversimplifies the issue and can stigmatize those affected. This perspective may discourage individuals from seeking help and hinder effective treatment approaches. Conclusion. Understanding addiction as a disease emphasizes the need for comprehensive treatment and compassion. Effective interventions often combine medical treatment, counseling, and support systems to address the physical and psychological aspects of addiction. Recognizing the complexity of addiction can lead to better outcomes and reduce the stigma associated with substance use disorders.